Hello, everyone, and welcome to another FX Centrum daily market analysis. So, for today, I decided to cover, and I will go for our cross asset list. So, we'll cover coffee market, WTI, US 100, US 30, USD yen, dollar Mexican peso, pound dollar, euro dollar, dollar index, Bitcoin, gold, aluminum, cocoa. Of course, I will use our FX Centrum platform for the charting, and we'll begin with the coffee market. So, what we have here on the daily time frame is this market is still in the consolidation. In the last 20 days, we can basically a trading range between the, let's say, resistance at 239.65 and support at 218.20. There is also this rate of change, quite a big flip after the 20-day low. On the rate of change, we have quite a big reversal. So this is just some sign that there is no winner. So between the buyers and sellers, they just find range. I would like to see the breakout of either resistance or support to confirm further directional move. So if there is a breakout of 239.65, there will be a chance for retest of 207.90. From another side, if market can break 218.20, hold below, there'll be a chance for a drop towards the 197.75. On the WTI, market is still in the consolidation, so we can see last, I will say, 10 days or so, we have a consolidation. Yes, we have a short-term upside trend if we watch like the last 30 plus days. We have like a slow and fast line there sloping to the downside, and the fast line is below the slow line. Rate of change is quite in the range, and we have this pin bar high at 80, let's say 83 mark. So again, similar like to the coffee, we have a tight trading range between the resistance at 82.5 and support at 80.45. If the market can break it and hold above 83, and so then the next area is 84 and then 85.60. In case of the downside move, we have a support at 80.46 in the middle Bollinger Band, and then we have even a bigger down break and break a middle Bollinger Band and hold below. There will be a chance even bigger drop. But for now, still market is in consolidation, and I would like to see the breakout. So both coffee and WTI are in the trading range environment, watching breakout. US 100, so it's pretty much in a consolidation. Another market is in a consolidation in less 10 days. Bollinger Bands they're contracting. Interesting here that slow line is sloping to the downside. Fast line just did this correction and still and again sloping to the downside together with the slow line. Rate of change, there is a flip to the upside at this point, but again, for me, environment. Resistance level is set around, let's say, 20,140 like resistance, and support at 19,470. Only if the market can break this support, there is a chance for a drop towards 1,100 or 90,000 mark, and only if market can break to 20,117 or so, we can see the higher prices. So trade range development on 100. This 30 is pretty similar. Last 4 to 5 days, another consolidation. So support at 38,930, resistance around 30,90. Fast and slow line are basically pretty flat at this point, even though fast line is below the slow line. Rate of change is pretty flat, so there's no significant so far at this point. So waiting for the breakout in order to confirm further direction. Now let's go to the currency pair. So USD Japanese yen. On the daily time frame is really holding and just going alongside upper Bollinger Band. Volatility is expanding. Fast and slow line is pretty much they're in extended move, but overall there is no significant weak market. We had this pin bar high, so the market can break and hold above 161.24. Can't see the further rally. You can see here there was just any attempt from sellers. Immediately we have reaction from buyers. If this was the reaction from sellers to do anything to the downside, but then you get reaction from buyers all the way to the upper Bollinger Band. So maybe some more consolidation is the end potential for the rally if we can hold above 161.5. Mexican peso, we had a down, so which is a normal. There was a pullback daily time frame. We have a very tight and Bollinger Bands here in consolidation. fast and slow line are getting close to each other at this point. And for me, there is a still chance for a higher prices, especially if the market can break and hold above 18.60 or so. And there is a potential chance for 18, let's say 19 mark to be on the test. If we go to the hourly time frame, we can see that market is a bit lower, created more like a drift pattern, and then now it's breaking higher. So still, from my perspective, I give more chance, even if it's a consolidation overall, I give more chance to the upside price and retest at 18.58 based on the hourly time frame and what we have in the structure. Now we have a pound dollar, so there is a retest of the middle Bollinger Band, quite a consolidation last, let's say, 1 week or so. Resistance is set around 1.2700, support around 1.15. Market is still in the trading range. So as you can see, lots of markets are in the consolidation in the last 5 to 10 days or so. The market is waiting probably for some news or some kind of catalyst which can make big impact on the market, and eventually then we can see breakout of those trading range. So again, watching for the potential breakout in the pound and observing this tight range in the last 7 days or so. Now euro is a stronger, so we can see the euro dollar actually had some gap to the upside, and it's just testing the resistance around 1.0765. You can see we have a quite a get some divergence at this point on the stochastic oscillator. Still, Bollinger Bands are pretty flat, and we have resistance on the test. Hourly time frame had this gap. Now we need to see if the sellers will have anything significant to market to go back to the trading range, or we have just a natural pullback and upside continuation. Overall, on the hourly, we have expansion and volatility, so definitely more orders are coming and more euro dollar is more active compared to pound. Now, dollar index had a pullback in the fast and slow line. There is probably a fresh bear across here, and we have potential middle Bollinger Band and the previous support 105.28 and middle Bollinger Band around 105.18. I want to see how the market will react on this pullback. Hourly time frame with quite a breakdown, and then the buyers. It's important to watch how the buyers will react from here. Do we have like a fast absorption, or we have just a natural pullback and a downside continuation? Something that I'm observing, and then we will see just in this pullback mode so far. Now, Bitcoin had a rally on the hourly time frame, so we can see here market is just in the around middle Bollinger Band, 63,000, let's say 64,000 mark. In the daily, we have a fresh bull cross. I cannot say that we have a change in trend dynamic or anything like that. Yes, hourly we had a break and hold above, but at this point, market is pretty much extended, and I want to see the reaction from sellers and when the reaction will appear. And still too early to say we have any kind of shift in the trend dynamics. So far, just a 1-2 day rally, and we have lots of previous swing lows in the middle Bollinger Band at this point. So that's on the gold market, quite a big consolidation again. 22.91 is quite a interesting support, and around 73. We're just around this middle Bollinger Band. So lots of markets really just in the consolidation and waiting for some fundamental, from my perspective, catalyst. So for the market to get out of this consolidation. We have aluminium also doing the consolidation. 25, 21 is support around 21. I would like to see the breakout of this consolidation and then open door either to retest of upper Bollinger Band at 27 or that previous swing high area 20.04 in case of the downside breakout. And cocoa market had quite a big gap between fast and slow line now, consolidation around. So we have a support at 7,003. and we have a resistance at 9,107. So as you can see, well, plenty of consolidation, waiting for the breakout. Of course, stay tuned. If you didn't visit our website, you can do that. So fxcentrum.com. You can see here FXC TV. So you stay tuned for more updates, potential trading ideas, and you can explore partnership, become introduced broker. We offer like 100% deposit bonus, which is such a big boost for your account. And from platforms you can see we have our FXC trader, exactly the one that I'm using to do this analysis. And don't forget, you can open an account in just a couple of clicks, take like a couple of minutes now, and you will be able to our platform. That'll be all for this daily FX Central market analysis, and have a good trading day and speak.